Hi there, Titans. Welcome to another Titan Academy video. Today we'll be talking about Titan flows and how to send emails through Titan flows, both as Salesforce or through Titan. So here I have a condition. The end user will be using this form, and then when they click this button, it will trigger this workflow where it's going to check if the email field on this form is empty or if it is filled. If it is filled, then I'm going to send an email to this person and say that your contact has been successfully submitted, thank you. And then if it's not filled, then I'm going to send an email to myself, just as like the admin of this form, to let them know that the form was submitted, but there was not an email, just letting them know. And I'm going to send both of these email, one through Titan and one through Salesforce, so that you can see the process for both. All right, so let's get started with rule 1, and this is if it is, let's just check on rule 1 real quick by editing this condition. So if the email is not empty, then we want to send a welcome email. So send email. So we'll send email to user, and let me just edit this email template. So send email to user. The recipient is I chose the project, and then the email field within that project. And then this is where we can send via Titan or via Salesforce. So the first one, let's do Titan, and I can make it be a field name. So if I wanted it to be like a certain field, I can do that, or I can choose a field from the project if we'd like, or we can even make it a static one. So I can say from Titan. All right, and then this is where we submit our content. This is the subject and the body of the email, and then you can also include attachments if you'd like, but we won't cover that in this video. All right, so this is the first email. Let me just give it a name. Cool. If email is not empty, send email to end user. If it is empty, then we're going to send an email, this missing email. Let me go and edit it. And I just named it missing email for our use on the back end. The recipient, I just made it a static email, and it's going to go to my email as the admin of this form. And then this one, let's send it via Salesforce. So the organization email, this can be configured in your Salesforce settings. I have a couple to choose from, so you get to choose which email you want it to be coming from. And then you can choose to have Titan as the fallback server in case this does not go through. I would recommend doing this just to make sure that all of your messages do go through to your end users. It's just a good function to have. And then we can choose our content if we'd like, and I chose manual. And here is the template for the email. And again, you can choose attachments if you'd like. Let's click apply and close. Now let's watch this flow happen in real time so we can see what it looks like coming from both Titan and from Salesforce. Give it a tag. Cool. All right, make sure you always publish your flows before triggering them from your projects. All right, so I have a new contact. I'm going to use my email so that we can receive both versions of this. So when the email is filled, he should receive a confirmation email. And the confirmation email is coming from Titan. So here it is. And you can see from Titan, that was the name that I gave it. Perfect. Now let's see it come from Salesforce. And we'll leave the email field blank so that we can get an error message to my admin email address. And now this one should come from Salesforce. Perfect. And we can see it has come from titan@formtitan.com, and that was the email that I had configured from Salesforce. And you can even see the Salesforce address that sent it. And there is the template that I created. So that is how it's done, how you can send emails and flows via both Salesforce and Titan. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.